guys? Hopefully you are all doing well. Sorry, we've kind of like disappeared from online. I say like YouTube mostly, and Twitter. Not on Twitter, Twitch. Sorry, because we have the game channel, as you know, Graham Sarah Games 1, and then this channel, which is the Sarah and Graham channel. So let's catch up. We the channel kind of flopped there for a bit, in the sense of like there was a little bit going to, like, I'm gonna say too much going on, but a bit going on. So there was, we've been pretty much trying to keep head steady with just the likes of going to the gym, eating healthy meals, and make sure we take care of ourselves, showers, taking our tablets, medication, all like that, drink water as well. But yeah, and then what happened was we came to a little bit of a hiccup. I don't know what happened. I'll try to briefly just talk you through if you don't have me or Sarah on social media. Personally, basically, long story short, we got locked out of our account. So we did. Some people are putting it down to being hacked. I'm probably one of them, because what happened initially was, I went to log on. It had logged me out. I entered the password, did this whole code thing. Codes got sent to phones and emails and all, and we got blocked out because it was the right email, or right password, right email as well, and couldn't get into it at all. It was so annoying, and basically I had so many. That's Sarah's indication. She's there. Sarah has the phone, her phone hooked up to the light, basically, so she can activate the light, which is quite cool. So that's her saying no. But yeah, so we got locked out and we tried to get in, and we had so many people helping us, family members, everyone that we could get help with, and people that I just posted up online, and my brother's friend posted a link to help me as well. So all that was helpful. I didn't get any response from it, so I then tried to look up some type of way of contacting Microsoft. Sorry, I'm in a break now. Contacting Microsoft, and there was no way. There was forms that I was filling out online. I ended up talking to a freaking robot, which didn't help. And then when I was looking for links within Microsoft, it was like, you've got to do this and that's it, and didn't work. Didn't get any response. So basically, I looked up, just look, because I know for a fact that I seen a Microsoft building somewhere in Ireland that I was near. I was like, oh, maybe Microsoft Ireland, there is a thing, basically it does exist here. So I looked up for a phone number for Microsoft here, and I called. I got the receptionist from there, and then she put me in a queue of trying to get some type of help, basically. So, 4 or 5 days, near enough to 6, pretty much been contacting in and out of Microsoft, and finally got to there. So they sent us links and help and all like that, and then Sarah got us in. Sarah used her very much big intelligence brain on her. I don't think I would have been able, so I'm glad I have her to, the extra brain power. I am handy with technology, but not too much, or most things got to do with reading, I do read, but I don't read very big books, you know. But that's just me. I read probably 2 books in my life that were like school kind of thing that I had to read. But yeah, we got back into well, I keep saying we, but Sarah did basically get we got back in basically into the account, so we're back. So videos should come back to normal now. Come after this video. So we'll prepare a update video of what else is to come and all that. So probably Monday we'll be recording a video because we've got a little bit of big news, which Sarah will tell you as well. We'll do a update video with that attached to it. But videos will go back to normal. Game channel is back now. I'm going to start streaming probably today. If I'm going to the gym in a bit and cook dinner, and then hopefully I can start streaming. That's the plan. But we're back. Sorry for the bit of a break there. A lot going on, and then the Microsoft being locked out of that our account, or my account. But all our gameplay basically are back. So we'll give you more of an update, more of a proper in-depth update video. This is only just to tell you, as I said, that we're coming back now. As I said, things have a little bit died down, and we're back in our Microsoft account. So, but enjoy the rest of the videos. Anyone that stayed around for till now, thank you from the both of us. And let's get back to the channel. Thank you.